can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Tether network. The last one, I've seen it lose 32.7% of its value. The altcoin market has been wobbling over the last 1 month. Tether network is just up 1.9%, which begs the $1 million question. Are we going to see altcoin season? How high can we pump before the end of the year? Is the cycle over? In this video, we'll look at Tether Network's performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. We'll look at Tether Network's performance against Ethereum. It has been losing value against Ethereum. Are we in for one of those big pumps that will shoot us to the moon? Also look at Tether Network's market cap, which currently sits around $772 million. How high can we go in the coming days and coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Tether Network, one of the altcoins in the market that gave huge gains in 2021. If you bought this altcoin, you were singing Kumbaya, you were dancing to the bank because we saw it go from as low as $0.05. We saw it rallying aggressively to all-time highs, more than a 23,000% move in just under 400 days. For context sake, guys, $1,000 invested in Tether Network in 2020 would have returned over $238,000 in 2021. But with big pumps in the cryptocurrency market, also comes big dumps to gobbling town. That's exactly what we saw with Tether Network in its second full crypto bear market, losing around 96% of its value in just under 1,000 days. That's not strange in the cryptocurrency market. It didn't retrace all the gains we made in the previous bull market. Thankfully, we found some support. Thankfully, our dump to gobbling town was cut short when we got to that $0.57 level. But since then, guys, we've not seen that huge parabolic run we're used to seeing from Tether Network. Yes, we rallied up to as high as the $3.8 level, which is around a 566% pump to the upside. But since then, guys, the $3.8 level has been very difficult to rally past. That level is proving to be the line in the sand. If we pass the $3.88 level, we might just be singing Kumbaya, as that might be the beginning of our journey to a new all-time highs. But guys, it's not going to be a smooth journey. There's going to be a lot of bumps along the way. If we rally past $3.8, we'll still have to face some bumps along the $8.2 region before we eventually face the final boss, which is the all-time highs. The all-time high sits around $16. For us to get past the all-time highs, we need to pump from where we're currently trading by more than 2,000%. And historically, Tether Network has done that in the past. We saw a 2,000% pump for Tether Network in a record time. This was in 2021. This was the top of the bull market. We saw it going from as low as $0.77 where it's currently trading. We saw it get to all-time highs in around 119 days. That's before the end of the year. Do you think that's possible? I 100% believe that's possible. There's a lot of telltale signs in the cryptocurrency market that good times are returning for the altcoin market in the nearest future. If you look at the altcoin season index on a monthly time frame, a lot of these altcoins are already outperforming Bitcoin. Even though we're drifting in and out of an altcoin month, if you look at the top 100 coins on a 30-day time frame, you'll see that most of them have done better than Bitcoin. But the big one is that on a 90-day time frame, which is what we call an altcoin season, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin or a 90-day time frame, that's called an altcoin season. And right now, we're slowly creeping to that altcoin season territory. We are 59% there. When we get to 75 on the altcoin season index, that will be altcoin season. And historically, that's when the party comes to an end. So the closer we get to 75 on the altcoin season index, the closer we get to the end of the party. But at that time, a lot of altcoins should be pumping aggressively. A lot of altcoins should be having a very nice time. But remember, guys, the higher you go, the more dangerous it becomes. The higher you go, the more you want to take some profit off the table. The good times in the cryptocurrency market, they are far and in between, and they don't last forever. Just 1 month in the cryptocurrency market can change your life, and then you can wait for the next 4 years as it dumps to gobbling town. If you look at some details about Tether Network, currently trading around $0.77. Fully diluted market cap at around $772 million. The all-time high came in on the 16th of April, 2021, traded for as high as $15.9. Right now is down 95% from the all-time highs. You want to get some tokens for yourself, some Tether Network tokens, you can get them on Binance, on Bybit, on Upbit, on OKX, or Gate.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. You can get some Theta network right there. Theta is a layer 1 blockchain and centralized infrastructure for video, AI, and entertainment use. Theta is a dual network consisting of two complementary systems, the Theta blockchain and the Theta Edge network. If you look at Theta's network performance against Ethereum, it's nothing to write home about. The last few years has been rough. It's been dumping aggressively against Ethereum since the 22nd of March 2021, almost getting to new all-time lows, losing around 97% of its value. I believe, guys, over the next few weeks, we're going to see a lot of whales flipping the Ethereum gains back to the altcoin markets. Bitcoin dominance has been dumping. Historically, that has led to good times for the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin dominance dumping can eventually lead us to that epic altcoin season we have been waiting for. And with Bitcoin dominance dumping and with whales flipping their Bitcoin and Ethereum gains back to the altcoin market, expect to see Tether network outperform both Bitcoin and Ethereum over the next few days or the next few weeks. A crazy 500% pump will not be out of place. Historically, these altcoins tend to go parabolic at the end of a market cycle. I don't think this time is different, guys. I think you have to just buy low, sell high. Time is your friend. If you look at Tether Network's market cap, which currently sits around the $777 million level. Over the last few weeks, we've actually not done anything crazy. We have just been ranging around that $770 million level towards the $1 billion region. But the line in the sand will be Tether Network's market cap rallying past $3.6 billion. We've gotten rejected here, rallying over that $3 billion region twice since the top came in 2021. We can rally past that $3.6 billion level. Our next target will be to rally past $8.5 billion before we eventually head to all-time highs where we can easily see it pump past the $16 billion region. For it to rally past $16 billion, guys, we need to see an epic 1,900% move to the upside. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is neutral right now. The bulls and the bears can't decide. Are we pumping to the moon? Are we dumping to Goblin Town? I believe we're getting ready to pump to the moon. I believe we're getting ready for that epic altcoin season. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Tether Network tokens right now? Is it possible to rally past $3.7, $8, $16, maybe a new all-time highs? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.